This how to 1 minute will show you how to add donate button in Wix. Log into your Wix account and click on edit site, and then you will jump into this page. Here click on this add elements icon, and here click on payments, and you will get here donation. Hover over on it and scroll down. You will get here the donation forms. You can select any of them. Just click on the form that you want to embed or add. And as we can see, the donation form has been added. And to customize the donation form, simply you can select the part or text that you want to edit. And make sure to click on publish, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.